you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both your game and console/PC are updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs, including loading problems. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, power down the system completely and unplug it for a few minutes to clear the cache. For PC, you can clear the cache by verifying the game files through your game launcher. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. Sometimes, high settings can cause performance issues that lead to loading problems. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address the loading screen problem in Elden Ring. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.